So guys, it's April 6th. It's 5:37 in the morning, and I'm going to work. And like I said, we don't have microwave or oven or coffee pot that we can use at work because of the coronavirus, prevention. We understand, so we are eating cold food. I want my rice. But I don't want cold rice. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna test today. I am going to bring beef stew. I'm gonna put it in my Bubba cup. I don't know how you say it. Bubba cup. It's gonna stay warmer until 11:30, our lunch break. So yeah, I have to heat up again. I made beef stew last night overnight. It's been cooking and it's very hot. So it's very hot right now. And then I'm gonna bring it to work. I'm gonna wrap it with the paper or with a towel, kitchen towel. I'll show you. Okay, this is very hot. I hope this gonna good. And I'm gonna wrap it with the foil. I'm in a hurry. I'm almost late. Then I'm gonna wrap it with my kitchen towel. 2 kitchen towels. Here's my lunch and here's my coffee. I'll see you at lunch break. So it's my lunch break. It's 11:30 and my lunch is here. I left my lunch. I covered it with 2 kitchen towels. Let's see if it's still gonna be warm. Sitting in my car for like 5.5 hours. Little warm, but not very cold. It's not too bad. Wow. Bubba cup. Okay, I can use this every day when I need my food warm. I have beef stew. Okay. Delicious. It's still warm. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to take this inside my work. I'll see you guys later. Today I brought rice to work and I put it in a Bubba cup. Let's see if it's gonna be still warm. And here's my sardines for today. I eat at work. And I brought a holiday pie and a banana. Let's eat. So hard to have a coronavirus thing in the universe. Everything is to be safe, free from any virus. I cleaned my car too. I hope it's cleaner. Let's see the cup. Oh, the rice. Oh, there's the rice. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Not warm anymore, but not cold from the fridge. Oh well, it's better than nothing. My car is gonna smell like sardines, but no worries. I'm going to put the empty can in here. Also, I have my homemade wipes. Let's eat. Oh! Here's my food. Mukbang. Yum yum. Ang pala ng sardinas. Third day. Lunch without microwave. I brought these beef patties.